Today, I'll show you how to display live financial data on your website in a professional dashboard. From stock charts to crypto and Forex tickers, everything updates in real time. This is the Premium Stocks, Forex, Crypto, ETF Plugin by FinancialTechnology. Now let's explore the widget options. First, the button widget. It can display key financial data and even act as a call to action. The quote, table widget lets you show multiple stocks, Forex pairs, or crypto coins in a clean table. The Forex table widget is fully interactive, with real-time blinking updates for each currency pair. Crypto table widgets display live prices and changes for popular coins. The Forex card widget provides a compact view of live data for individual currency pairs. Commodity futures charts are fully zoomable, so your visitors can see historical trends and live movements. Premium financial widgets include multi-language support, eye-catching templates, and real-time updates. For example, watch Bitcoin's USD price updating dynamically on the screen. Keep your audience informed with news card widgets displaying stock market news, crypto headlines, and financial news from reliable sources. The ticker and typed widgets animate headlines for a dynamic viewing experience. Create price tickers, mini charts, market overview boxes, portfolio trackers, and news widgets, all fully customizable. It even includes trading view style charts and live market news, so your site looks like a professional finance dashboard. Using it is super simple. Choose a widget, customize colors and layout, select your data source, and the live preview updates automatically. All values update live, showing real-time gains or losses. This is ideal for bloggers, investors, or financial educators, and an impressive 4.85-star rating. Track your investments with portfolio widgets. Stock portfolios, Forex portfolios, and crypto portfolios can be displayed side by side. Adding a financial widget to your website is simple. Just 3 steps. You can select the type of widget. For example, let's try the widget builder to see how this works. Live. Clicking Try Financial Widget Builder opens the interactive configuration window. Card. Choose a template, such as Basic, or explore other styles. Select the data source, for instance, Yahoo Finance, or Binance for crypto data. Pick your color scheme to match your website, like number 5679FF for a professional look. Choose the asset, for example, MSFT, Microsoft Corporation. Real-time updates display the latest price, percentage change, and animation showing live movement. You can even add extra CSS styles to adjust font size, width, or other design elements. The live preview updates dynamically as you make adjustments, giving a perfect real-time demonstration. And that's it. You now know how to create a live finance dashboard on WordPress, complete with stocks, crypto, Forex, news, and portfolio tracking. Make your website interactive and professional in just a few minutes. Don't forget to subscribe to Ahmed Tech Hub for more tutorials, tips, and plugin reviews.